Hello, this is Baye from English for Africa channel. That's Mr. Zenebe's channel. I hope that you follow this channel. And today I am going to talk about these topics. This is for beginners. ስለዚህ ዛሬ እኔ ባዬ እባላለሁ ኢንግሊሽ ፎር አፍሪካ ቻናል እንግዲህ ማለት ነው ይሄ። ስለዚህ ዛሬ ለጀማሪዎች ነው። ስለዚህ ለጀማሪዎች ብቻ ሳይሆን ለማንኛውም እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ በቀላሉ መማር ለሚፈልግ ሁሉ የሚጠቅም ጥያቄ ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ ሁለት ነገሮችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። የመጀመሪያው things that English learners should do ምን አይነት ነገሮችን ነው እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ተማሪዎች ቢያደርጓቸው ጥሩ የሚሆኑት። ስለዚህ ወደ መጀመሪያው ስንሄድ ask yourself questions like this። ስለዚህ ራሳችንን እንደዚህ ብለን እስኪ እንጠይቅ። እንግሊዝኛ መማር ለፈለጋችሁ ወደፊት መማር ለምትፈልጉ እንደዚህ ብላችሁ ጠይቁ። Why should I learn English language? ለምንድን ነው እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ መማር የፈለጉት? ስለዚህ ለምንድን ነው የምትጠቀሙት? ስለዚህ እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ መማር ፈልጋለሁ እኔ ለምንድን ነው መማረው ብዬ ካልጠየቁኝ ጀምሬ ነው የማቋርጠው። ስለዚህ በጣም ብዙ ሰው እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ መማር ይፈልጋል፣ ግን እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች አያነሳም በብዛት። ስለዚህ ይገባና ቶሎ ይወጣል ሲከብድ። ስለዚህ why should I learn English language ለሚለው የተለያዩ እንግዲህ እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ ለምንድን ነው የሚጠቅመኝ ማለት ነው። ለምን ፈልጌው እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ መማር የፈለግኩት የሚለውን ማንሳት ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ባጭሩ what is the importance of learning English language? So as we know, English language is so wide language and it's very important to in different version of our activities, especially for students. It's very important for our academical activities, like So, what is the importance of learning English language for me? So, English language is very important. The first one, to search more job opportunities. So, if you know English well, if you speak, if you listen, and if you understand English language well, you will get more job opportunity. That's the first one. And the second one, it will lead you to be better educated. So, everyone is just a learner right now. So if you are a student, it will invite you or it will help you to be better educated. So every start from grade 7, that's we are learning in English. So we have to listen our teachers when they speak, and we have to understand the questions that we are making or we are doing. So there are different things that they very necessary to do or to know English language. So those things will invite us to be better educated. And the other thing is it will help us to travel anywhere in the world. So English language is a wide language. So around the world, any country, there is English language like teaching. So if you can speak English language, so you can go anywhere in the world. For example, me, I'm Ethiopian. So if I go to Eritrea, I don't need to know Tigrinya. So if I know English, I can talk anyone I want. Right? That's it. And the other one, it's language itself. If you learn any new language, it helps you to be sharp mind. It helps you to get new thinking. So English language is wide language. You will know just new vocabulary words, so other things. So it helps you to have a sharp mind. These and other things are the importance of English language. So what about your importance? I mean, why do you want to learn English language? So That's the first question that everyone should ask. Okay, all right. That's the first tip that I have for you today. And let's go to the second point. The first question that you should to ask is what is the importance of learning English language, and then you ask it yourself, okay? And then you want to learn English language. All right, then what kind of question should you ask? I mean, just would be nice to ask. Ask English language, or as English language, I'm really sorry, as English language learner, what should I do to speak English? All right, so you want to learn, so what should I do? So most English learners, they don't know what to do, all right, even though they like to learn English language, but they don't know much what they should do. So English language, I mean, new language is kind of difficult, but English language is easy, that much difficult. So things that you should do, all right, as English language learner, as a beginner, what things you should do, all right. The first thing is you don't make much sense about your mistakes. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Okay, ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ መስራት ከሚገባችሁ ነገሮች አንዱ እስኪ ምን ብሰራ ጥሩ ነው፣ ምን ባደርግ ጥሩ ነው ብላችሁ ጠይቃላችሁ። ስለዚህ ልታደርጓቸው የሚገቡ ነገሮች የመጀመሪያው በቃ ስህተት ብሰራ ችግር የለውም የሚል ሀሳብ ነው ሊኖረን የሚገባው። ስለዚህ don't be afraid to make mistakes. So when you make mistakes, you are learning. Okay, and the second one, you have to have a plan to study English just daily. Okay, just daily. Have a point it's very enough. All right, up to 15 minutes. 5 up to 15 minutes in a day, just sitting down and just have a kind of study English. Okay, so the second one is study English daily for a few minutes, right? And the third one, you have to just try to practice with your partners, with your friends, to speak English, right? Starting from the English words that you know, English expressions that you know. Just start you can start hey, how are you? So you can start from the simplest one. And the fourth one, you have to ask questions. Learning to ask questions means you have to know the basic question is that what to ask when you talk with your friends. So for example, what's your name? Where are you from? This kind of simple questions. So know the basic question is that what to ask when you talk with your friends. I think this is enough for today. Have a good walk.